Hey, hi everyone. Now let's see how annotations will work in Playwright. So we have four types of annotations in Playwright. So I will simply try to copy paste these four times. Let me explain you in a bit why I'm copy pasting this, because so that I can annotate all together with the different annotations and I can showcase the results. Right. So I think I have copy pasted the five times. And the one more thing is we have to we're supposed to not have the same titles for all the tests. If we have it, then the test will fail. Okay, so let me rename it. Yeah. Now, as I said, we have four test annotations, right? Like in annotations, right? Four annotations we have. So we have test dot skip. We have test dot skip, and one more annotation is fix me. And I will explain what are these and why are these. And one more is test dot slow. The other one is test dot fail. Syntax wise, these are different. So actually, we have one more annotation also, test dot only. So when we annotate with the dot only here, so whatever the test this file has, it will exclude all other files and it will run only this single test if we annotate with the dot only. So that is the purpose of dot only. So now let's know about how these annotations will work. Skip means like we can intentionally skip. So for example, for this current release, you don't want to execute this test, but in future you may need. So we no need we no need to delete this, right? So we can simply annotate with the skip. So fix me means the tests oftenly failing with um, maybe many reasons, like maybe it might be a network issue, it might be a server issue, it might be a slow issues. For the specific for few specific scripts might have some time load issues from server itself. In such cases, we can simply annotate as fix me, so that whoever working in the automation side, they will look into it. And this fix me will skip the test, and I will show you at the end of the video in the results. And test just slow, what it will do is, for some scripts might take more time to load. uh, for example, when you're working with more number of data to load and to add something, to create or any to delete, so in such cases it might take much time in the application. So in such cases you can annotate with test.slow. What it will do is, it will slow the execution time. For example, we have default global time here, right? We can set the global timeout for the entire framework. So it will multiply into 2. So it will multiply this time into 2 times, and it will slower down the test execution, so that it will execute little slow when compared to other tests. When it comes to test that fail also we can intentionally fail. For example, in the previous release they have added something, but you have to test in the same functionality in other environment. In such cases, it will the feature is not available in other environment, right? So sometimes where we follow n minus one releases, so in such cases we can annotate with the test.fail. So it means we are expecting this to fail, because that particular functionality is not available in that environment, so that they can aware, so they can simply look into the report and they can aware that okay, this was failed due to some reasons. So let me run it once so that I can show you the report. Test.slow and test.fail syntax little different when compared to fix me and skip and dot only. So why I have used dot only, because we need to see all the annotations in the results. If I give test dot only, it will run only the particular test, and we will not get the results of all other four tests, right? So that's why I did not give. You can try in your local with the test dot only if you want. These annotations are very simple and straightforward, so easy to like we can easy to learn. You can easily understand. Let it run. You can forward the video because my network is little slow today. Yeah, see the failed test, it is rerunning it, so you can see the report. I think it is loading the report automatically. So this also we can, like, whether the report should load automatically or not, we can configure in Playwright config .ts. I will cover that up in coming videos, how reporting, how we can configure reports and all. But as of now, focus here. So total run 4. So passed, I think we have annotated with slow rate, that might pass. So failed means we have annotated with failed, so that's why it is failed. Skip it, it is skipped. So fix me, I think, and the other things are one or two, what we annotated with one or two. Yeah, one or two are fix and skip. These both are same. Uh, Fix me will registered sometimes in past also. Okay, so don't get confused, because fix me sometimes the script might sometimes pass and sometimes fail irrespective of application issues. So just that we are informing that just fix me, because this test is failing oftenly. So please, if you add annotations, it will work, but that might registered in skip too, to let automation testers know that this isn't working properly. Okay, so this is how the annotations will work, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.